In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the latest trading news in FxPro. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so as a trader or a forex trader, one of the best things to do is to keep up with the latest news that will help you make informed decisions when it comes to forex trading. Now, the good thing is FxPro has provided this information that you can use to be at par on what is happening in the markets. To do this, go ahead and log into your FxPro account, and once you are here, just head over to Analytics and Education. If you click on it, go ahead and click on Squawk, and this will go ahead and open all the latest FxPro breaking forex news. And here you can see, for instance, today is on the 1st of December. This is the latest news concerning the markets that affects your trading. Go ahead and click on any of these, and you should be able to read any information related to that particular item. And the good thing is FxPro gives minute by minute update on everything that is happening around the world on this news feed. So that's how you can find news feeds that can help you make decisions on your forex trading. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.